I knew since I was little that I wanted to be in the medical field, that I just wanted to help people.
My favorite part is definitely the hands-on experiences that you can do. We've been doing phlebotomy, drawing blood, several other things such as CPR and performing CPR on dummies.
The students are going to learn about a variety of healthcare positions that they can have, not just being a doctor or a nurse, but all the different roads that they can travel.
I've just become completely interested in all the potential careers that you can enter, such as anesthesiology, neurology.
If they have even a slight interest in healthcare, this is the opportunity for them to learn and grow and to see what they're capable of. This program really ignites a fire in many students.
Going into school for the medical field is a long time. You're signing yourself up for a lot of years in school, and a lot of the stuff I'm already going to have done. And when I go to school, I'm going to have prior knowledge to my med term and anatomy and everything, so I'm going to have prior knowledge and know what I'm doing and be more confident.
It's a calling to wanting to help others. It's feeling like you're a part of a profession and belonging. It's an opportunity to maybe start in one path and transition to another. Healthcare, you can travel so many main and side roads. How you start and how you end, not always definitely the same.